And we got the Chicago Bears Stadium shining on the right over there. Yep, that's a pretty large stadium. And all the high rises showing up in front of us. We got a very clear sky today. And traffic is very light. Now that's Chicago Bears right here. Stadium on the right. And right behind that is going to be a very large fuel museum. I suggest that you folks visit that. This is the stadium over here. Yeah, Soldier Fuel. And the museum is right behind that. Oh, we got a few lights, traffic lights over here. Nothing happening here. There's no games going on yet, so it's pretty quiet. Right behind the Fuel Museum over here, that is Aquarium, Planetarium. Again, those are very nice places to come and see when you're here in Chicago. There's only a few places by the Lakefront on this part of Chicago, but we got a lot of places, very interesting places everywhere in Chicago. Pretty much in everywhere. Okay, that's the Fuel Museum coming up over here. Yeah, the building on the right. And in the back, over there, you got the aquarium all the way back there, behind those trees. And then we're going to see Navy Pier and Ferry Wheel come up in a minute. Excuse me. You're going to see a bunch of sailboats and a lot of speedboats. You get a couple double-deckers over there on the lake. Take the tourists on board to see the lakefront. See how the Chicago look like from the lake. This is the museum over here behind there. Over by Roosevelt Road. Okay, now we're going to stop this video and see if I can get you another part, very interesting view of front of the lake. Oh, you see the planetarium aquarium over there. Yeah, a little bit briefly behind the Fuel Museum. And then there's Lake Michigan showing up behind those trees. Well, traffic's getting heavier in here afternoon. People getting off work.